Just a quick video on why you may not be able to remove the power supply from your Dell Precision 5820. Now, if you're trying to remove your power supply and you're pushing down the locking mechanism and you're trying to pull on it and it won't budge, there's a good chance it has been locked into place. So what you need to do is remove the side panel and you'll rotate the case and you see where the power supply cage is. There's a screw, and if it's next to the little locked icon, then it's locked into place, versus if it's in the unlocked icon, it's unlocked. And basically to unlock it, all you do is you unscrew the screw and screw it back in its own hole. Technically the screw doesn't have to be there, to the best of my knowledge, but no reason to not put it back where it belongs if it's in the locking position. But once you do that, power supply should slide out like so. And yeah, pretty simple problem to solve if you can't get your power supply to come out.